Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying identity now. Open Cash App and go straight to your profile. You will submit a clear photo of a government ID and enter the last 4 SSN digits. This is required to raise limits. Once done, make sure your phone number and email are confirmed. This reduces fraud flags quickly and lets Cash App match records. If your ID photo fails, retake with good lighting and avoid glare. You want readable text and a centered face. Next, you upload the photos and enter matching details because consistency expedites approval. Use high-resolution images and double-check that names and dates match exactly. Mismatches delay reviews. Once submitted, Cash App runs automated checks and may escalate to manual review. Make sure notifications are enabled so you receive requests for more info. While waiting, avoid repeated submissions that can reset queues. If asked, provide supplemental documents like a utility bill to confirm address quickly. Finally, you confirm approval inside Cash App and note your updated limits. They apply automatically after acceptance. If verification is denied, read the reason carefully and correct specific issues, maybe name spelling or mismatched address. Once corrected, resubmit rather than creating multiple tickets. If problems persist, contact Cash App support using the in-app help and include screenshots, dates, and any case ID. This speeds resolution. As a quick troubleshoot tip, clear app cache or reinstall before.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.